A tempo means to return to the original tempo after a deviation. If the music has been slowing down, ritardando, or speeding up, accelerando, a tempo tells you to return to the initial speed that was set at the start of the piece or section. It brings you back to the starting speed after a change of tempo or variation, or to be more precise, to a speed that musically fits to starting speed. There are cases that the composer intended the tempo to vary. If you've slowed down or sped up, it indicates that it's time to regain the original pace and continue from there. A tempo doesn't mean to rush to the original speed. You should make a solid transition that fits to the musical expression the composer intended. Whether smooth or sudden, it has to fit. Key is to regain the natural flow of the music. It's like a return to balance, where the tempo feels steady again. Which kind of a tempo to use depends on the musical context. If the piece has changed moods or gone through several tempo shifts, it brings you back to the original pace, the one that fits the character and structure of the music. But it must also follow the natural flow, especially when rubato is involved. Always listen closely to how the tempo has evolved and use it to return smoothly, not abruptly. The greatest pianists in history used it masterfully. Learn from them. Use musicaldna.me to compare your playing with the styles of the finest pianists of the 19th and 20th centuries. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.